If you find it frustrating spending more time getting your mower started than actually mowing your lawn, you're going to love the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus lawn mower. Just whack in your fully charged 18-volt 1 Plus battery, the same one you use on all your 1 Plus tools, and just push the button and away you go. This tough little unit is ideal for smaller lawns, up to about a tennis court in size. The 33cm wide deck is super lightweight, so it's easy to navigate around obstacles and squeeze between garden beds. The 35-litre catcher will take care of all the grass clippings. Just remember, a mower is a maintenance tool, so if your lawn's a little long, you might want to slash it with a line trimmer. It'll make mowing a lot easier. Upload. You'll get around 20 to 25 minutes runtime on a fully charged 5-amp battery. When you're finished, its compact size makes it easy to pick up and store away. So get the 18-volt 1 Plus lawnmower and let RYOBI put more leisure time back into your weekend.
RYOBI, a cut above.